This easy chocolate cranberry cake is a festive, flavorful treat perfect for holiday gatherings or cozy nights. The cake is moist and fudgy, topped with a luscious blend of cream cheese and cranberry sauce. Start by melting the semi-sweet chocolate and butter together over a bain-marie to prevent the chocolate from burning. Stir occasionally until the mixture is smooth and fully combined. Once melted, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool to room temperature. In a separate bowl, add the eggs, sugar, salt, and vanilla extract. Begin mixing on medium speed, gradually increasing to high until the mixture becomes thick, smooth, and a pale yellow color. This should take around 3 to 5 minutes. Then pour in the cool chocolate mixture and gently mix until fully combined. Next, sift the flour to remove any lumps and ensure a smooth, light texture in the cake. Using a spatula, gently fold the flour in without deflating the batter, which will give the cake a tender crumb. Be careful not to overmix. Pour the batter into an 8-inch springform pan that you've greased and lined with parchment paper. Bake for about 25 minutes or until the center is set. For the cranberry sauce, add fresh cranberries, sugar, and freshly squeezed orange juice to a saucepan. Bring the mixture to a boil, stirring constantly to help dissolve the sugar and prevent sticking. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to a simmer and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Add in the orange zest and stir gently to infuse the sauce with a bright citrusy pop of flavor. Remove from heat, then strain the sauce through a sieve to create a smooth, glossy consistency. Let the sauce cool completely before using it in the frosting. When the cake is fully cool, invert it onto a serving plate and carefully remove the parchment paper. For the cream cheese cranberry frosting, begin by combining softened cream cheese with vanilla extract and honey in a mixing bowl. The honey adds a subtle sweetness that balances the tanginess of the cream cheese. Mix until smooth and creamy, ensuring all ingredients are fully incorporated. Gently swirl in the cool cranberry sauce with just a few motions, leaving beautiful streaks for a marbled effect. This creates a visually stunning frosting without fully blending the cranberry sauce. Gently spread the frosting over the top of the cake, allowing some of the cranberry color to shine through. The result is a gorgeous, indulgent cake that beautifully combines rich chocolate, vibrant cranberries, and smooth, creamy frosting. Slice, serve, and enjoy every delicious bite. Be sure to check the link in the description below for the full recipe and all the step-by-step details.